आज मैं आपको वेक्टर के बारे में थोड़ा और आगे बता रहा हूँ कि सबसे पहले अगर कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टम गिवन है आपको, तो कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टम इज ऑलवेज डिफाइंड. सपोज देयर इज ए पॉइंट A whose coordinates x1, y1, z1, and here is an origin. How to define the vectors O to A? Vector OA will be defined as x1i, y1j, z1k. Similarly, if there is another point B whose coordinate x2, y2, z2. So the position vector OB. Why this is called the position vector? Because of they are defined with respect to the origin. So x2i plus y2j plus z2k. And now if we join A to B, it clearly indicates we start from O, go to A, and then A to B. Initially we start from O and finally we are at B. So OB is the resultant of OA plus AB. So now by this way, by law of triangle, we can define the vector OA plus AB is equal to OB. Take this value in the right hand side so that the vector OAB will be is equal to OB minus OA. So we can define the vector in terms of their position vectors. The formula is final position minus initial position. Similarly, we can write the vector Mn, position vector of n minus position vector of m, or vector PQ can be written as vector OQ minus OP, final position minus initial position. So this is the way how to define the vectors. So now I am going to tell you about the dot product of the two vectors. Dot product vector A dot vector B. Notation is dot. This will be defined as magnitude of vector A, magnitude of vector B, angle between them cos theta. Here is the vector A, here is the vector B. Angle between them is theta. A to B. Angle is A to B. So that will be positive angle, anti-clockwise. So now with the help of this, I can define cos theta is equal to vector A dot vector B divided by magnitude of A, magnitude of B. That is the angle between two vectors. Let vector A is defined as A1i, B1j, C1k. These are the unit vectors. They tell you about the direction x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. A1 unit along x-axis, B1 unit along y-axis, C1 unit along z-axis. Similarly, let the another vector be A2i, B2j, C2k. Now we are going to calculate its dot product. Dot product is defined as A1i, B1j, C1k dot A2i, B2j, C2k. Unit vector k. Vector A, this one, dot, dot, vector B, this one. If you multiply term to term, what will be happen? First of all, define some new parts. I dot I. Magnitude of I magnitude of I, both the vectors are in the same direction, so the angle between them will be 0 degree. So cos 0 degree is 1, unit vector I is 1, magnitude of unit vector I is again 1, into cos 0 is 1, so that is 1. Similarly, j dot j is equal to k dot k is equal to 1. And if you define I dot j, one is along x-axis, other is along y-axis, so the dot product will be magnitude of I, magnitude of j, angle between them cos 90 degree. Why it is 90 degree? One of the direction is x-axis, other direction is y-axis. So angle between them is 90 degrees, cos 90 is 0. So I dot j, j dot k and k dot will be 0. If you multiply I dot I, that will be 1 with the help of this. So your result will be A1, A2, A1 into A2, I dot I is 1, plus B1, B2, J dot J, that will be again 1, B1, B2, C1, C2, K dot K, K dot K will be again 1. So C1, C2. All other part will be 0 because of, in any other case, we are multiplying I dot j will be 0, I dot k will be 0, j dot I will be 0, j dot k will be 0, like this. And this is the dot product between two vectors. And now how to define the angle between them? That will be defined as A dot B divided by magnitude of A, magnitude of B. This will be A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. The same result put here. Magnitude of A, A1I root A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square. Root A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square. Similarly, magnitude of B, A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. So this is the formula which calculate the angle between two vectors. So that's all. अगर आपको ये पसंद आए तो मुझे लाइक कीजिएगा और अपने व्यूज़ ज़रूर दीजिए और सब्सक्राइब भी कीजिए. थैंक यू.